if you've ever been working with data and want to determine the smallest value, the second to smallest value, the third to smallest value, and so on, you can do that obviously by simply filtering your data and picking out the smallest values. Or if for whatever reason you don't want to adjust your or filter your data, you can use what Excel calls the small function. And I'm going to show you how to do that here with this mock-up of data where we have 8 people that went to an arcade and they earned tokens, and we want to determine who came in last, second, and third. So to do that, again, we're going to use the small function. So the number of tokens will be determined by using the small function, selecting the array of tokens in this case, or whatever data you want considered, and then putting in the number that you want considered. Since we want the smallest, we're going to put 1 for the smallest. Likewise, if we want the second smallest, we would select the same array, but put 2. And then obviously for the third smallest, we would do the same array and select 3. Now the only point I want to call out here is that if you have duplicates, it's just going to randomly select one of the duplicates to put in that place. So just be wary for whatever your last number is, third to last. There's an 8 here, but the fourth to last may also be an 8. So if you're going to try to pull up the people's names using either VLOOKUP or index match, you want to be careful that the last number doesn't have a duplicate within your data set. Like I said, if we want to pull up the individual, in this case we're going to use index match, where I have another tutorial video which I will link to in the show notes on how to use this. But we're going to pull up who actually earned the smallest amount of tokens by using this very helpful combination of functions. And we see 4 tokens belong to Jim. Let's double check. It is. The second to last is 6 tokens. Amy has that, correct. And 8 tokens belong to Sam, and that is correct as well. So again, if you want to look for the smallest, second to smallest, third to smallest, and onward of your data, and you don't want to filter it in descending order, you can simply use the small function. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps.